Wit-versary from me, hashtag #SequisOG. I cannot believe you've put up with me for 3 years that we've worked together. It's been an amazing journey and I've learned so much from you. And thank you for always being our fearless dev leader. I feel like we've made an amazing creative dev team and we just really kick butt. And it's been super great working with you. And I can't wait to be able to celebrate with you in person and we can have a beer and go to an Irish pub or something, because that would be super fun to celebrate. And I can't believe we've gone from working at Sequis to working at Wit Digital. It's just been, again, an amazing journey, and so much has happened in all that time. So thank you for everything, and you're just so awesome. And I know our amazing video is probably gonna make you cry, but you know, have a beer today and celebrate on Wit. So thank you for everything again. You're amazing. So happy Wit-versary! Woo!
What up, Ryan? Happy anniversary! Can't believe it's already been 3 years. It's so cool to have you be part of the tribe, part of the people building Wit and our clients. You have done so much to help build an awesome infrastructure development-wise for Wit and for our clients, whether that's, making sure we're on the best hosting, building systems, processes, and infrastructure in place to make sure that we continue offering the best websites. You're always looking out for others. You're always there to help. And for that, I really appreciate you. So hope you have an awesome 3rd Wit anniversary. Thanks for being part of the tribe.
Ryan, 3 years at Wit. That's wild. Happy Wit-versary. I'm hoping that you're enjoying today, savoring it all. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything you do for each and every one of us here at Wit. You kick ass at everything you do, developer and more. I know my life wouldn't be as easy without you, and I'm very, very grateful for that. Happy 3 years, and here's to another 20. All right, happy Wit-versary.
Mr. Mitchell, happy Wit-versary. You're our fearless dev leader, and I appreciate you so much. There's so much you do for me. I hope this next year brings you more and more. You guys are killing it on that team, and your leadership is second to none. So really appreciate you. Hope you have a good one, and thanks a lot. You're doing it.
Ryan Mitchell, happy Wit-versary, brother. Dude, this place just would not be the same without you, man. Love, it's just been really cool to watch your growth over the last years and how you're always relentless about your growth. You're always willing to go the extra mile. You're always looking for ways to improve not only the parts that you're doing, but just everything within the company. And that's just, it's so fantastic, man. So grateful to have you as a part of the team and be able to work alongside of you. And happy Wit-versary. Oh, and also thanks for always being an awesome pool party host and opening your house and being focused as well on the culture of Wit and the rest of the tribe members and not just you and your department and what you're doing. So love you, man. Happy Wit-versary.
Ryan, happy Wit-versary. I don't even know how many years it's been. It's been so many years that I've lost count, but it's your Wit-versary. I'll start off by saying how grateful I am to work with you and also to have you and Elkie as friends in my life. You're part of the OG crew, the Sequis crew, back in the days when the creative team wasn't even a creative team. I don't even think that was a thing. You've been there since day one, and it's just insane how far we've come since then and how much we've grown. And you've been a huge, huge part of that. And I just can't imagine Wit without you. Your dedication to Wit and the people here at Wit is absolutely unmatched. You're passionate, driven, creative, funny, talented, insanely talented at what you do. So thank you for everything that you do. And happy Wit-versary. Go drink a beer.
Hey Ryan, just wanted to wish you a happy Wit-versary. You are an incredible developer and, dare I say, an even more incredible coworker. Since my very first day at Wit, you just made me feel really welcome and part of the team, and I don't even think you were going out of your way to do that. I really just believe that's the way that you are. I love working with you. I love our nerdy conversations. I love how supportive and helpful you are to everyone on the team. And I also really love how you're always trying to improve and make things better for us and for our clients. It's really amazing to see and really inspirational. So thank you for all that you do. Hope you had an amazing Wit-versary, and here's to another awesome year. Cheers.
Ryan, what's up? Happy Wit-versary. Just want to say it's awesome working with you, man. You're always really positive and helpful, and it's just a pleasure working with you. So celebrate it. Have a good week. All right, later.
Ryan, happy Wit-versary, dude. 3 years. I can't even imagine what my time at Wit would be like without you and your constant wisdom and creativity, and how you're always willing to just like work together with us to find the best solution possible, and all of your super nerdy jokes with those too. So happy you're here. Here's to another 3 years, 6 years, 9 years, forever million years at Wits, and having pool parties and Albertos and listening to really great music together. So thank you, Ryan, for being awesome. Happy Wit-versary.
Hey Ryan, happy Wit-versary and hook 'em.
Yo, Ryan, happy Wit-versary. Oh my gosh, this is awesome that you're part of our tribe and that you just care so much and bring so much to the table every day. Ryan, I'm really happy to be working with you a lot more closely now that I'm with the creative team, and I love seeing how much inspiration you get from collaboration, from our homepage draws, and just everything you always are wanting to do for this company and innovate fearlessly. I really look up to all that and aspire to that, and I just hope you have the best day, Ryan, especially with the possible snow we're getting. So anyways, have a good one.
Hey there, Ryan. Just wanted to wish you a happy Wit-versary and let you know that I love you. Bye.
You're doing it.